So high, reaching for the sky. Rumah, Gadang, where legends lie in Minangkabau, where culture thrives, retreating in society, where women rise. Painted walls, intricate designs, wooden beams, a glimpse of time, tradition woven in every thread. Rumah, Gadang, where heritage spreads. Family bond through generations. In Rumah, Gadang, shared celebrations. Women lead with strength and grace. The heart of the house, the matriarchs embrace. Lost in the golden hues as the day starts to fade. Whispers of the wind brush against the palm tree's shade, dancing with the shadows as the stars come alive. A sunset serenade, a lullaby to survive. The horizon is painted with a palette of fire. Melodies of twilight, a symphony to inspire. Whispered seeds of the night in the moon's gentle glow. An enchanting melody, the world begins to slow. So high, reaching for the sky. Rumah, Gadang, where legends lie. In the Minangkabau, culture thrives, matrilineal society, where women rise. Painted walls, intricate designs, wooden beams, a glimpse of time, tradition woven in every thread. Rumah, Gadang, where heritage spreads. Family bond through generations. In Rumah, Gadang, shared celebrations. Women lead with strength and grace. The heart of the house, the matriarchs embrace. Through generations in Rumah, Gadang, shared celebrations, women lead with strength and grace. The heart of the house, the matriarchs embrace.